Australia manages a massive agricultural operation processing over 9 million cattle to feed the growing global population.
The scale of this industry is truly staggering, requiring advanced logistics and highly efficient modern processing facilities. Innovation and technology are the primary drivers behind the success of Australia's multi-billion-dollar red meat industry.
Tracing the journey from remote stations to urban centres reveals a complex web of transport and coordination.
To stay informed about massive global industries and industrial processes, please click the subscribe button right now.
Road trains are essential for moving livestock across thousands of kilometres of rugged and unforgiving Australian terrain. Animal welfare is a top priority, with facilities designed to keep cattle calm throughout the entire process. Every animal is tracked using individual electronic tags, ensuring total traceability from the farm to the fork. Centralized monitoring systems allow for real-time adjustments to maintain maximum efficiency across the entire production line. Robotics and automation play an increasing role in modernizing the industry and reducing physical strain on workers.
Strict government regulations and regular inspections guarantee that Australian meat meets the highest international food safety standards.
Pores. Once processed, the meat is quickly chilled and vacuum sealed to preserve freshness during the shipping journey.
Precise labeling provides consumers with all the necessary information about the origin and the quality of meat.
Rapid cooling is essential to stop bacterial growth and maintain the integrity of the high-quality product.
Efficiency in logistics ensures that Australian beef reaches more than 100 different countries every single year.
Exporting 9 million cattle worth of meat requires a massive naval operation and global trade partnerships today.
Quality grading systems categorize the meat based on marbling and color to determine its final market value. Skilled tradespeople are vital to the industry, maintaining the precision tools needed for high-quality meat processing tasks. Sustainability efforts focus on reducing water usage and recycling waste products to lower the environmental impact significantly. The end result of this massive-scale processing is a high-quality protein source enjoyed by global consumers. Consistency is key in a modern factory, where the cycle of production never stops for a moment.
Nothing goes to waste, as the animal hides are processed into high-quality leather for the fashion industry.
Maintaining a clean environment is vital for both the machinery's longevity and the health of the workers.
Sizing machines categorize every cut, ensuring that the final package contains a uniform and high-quality product.
Thermal monitoring prevents spoilage, ensuring the meat remains safe throughout the entire complex industrial processing chain today. Regular sterilization of equipment is necessary to achieve the highest possible food safety ratings in the industry.
Precision science targets the detection of pathogens while preserving the high nutritional value of the final product.
Hygiene and cleanliness are the top priorities in this state-of-the-art food processing and logistics. Vacuum sealing preserves the delicate flavor of Australian beef, ensuring it reaches the customer in peak condition. Every box is traceable from the processing plant to the store, thanks to a sophisticated digital system.
Specialized processing turns unavoidable waste into valuable oils and proteins for use in various secondary industrial markets.
Technology now allows us to inspect meat quality at speeds once thought to be impossible in production. Accurate weighing ensures that every customer receives the exact amount of food they paid for at wholesale. Industrial strength wrapping ensures that the heavy pallets remain secure during the long and bumpy transport process.
The factory is a model of sustainability, using its own byproduct to fuel some industrial operations daily.
Everything begins with the hard work of graziers who manage livestock on these vast outback station properties.
Weight and age differences are used to sort the cattle into different groups for the processing phase.
The mineral-rich bones are ground down to be sold to farmers as a high-quality supplement. Data-driven cooling cycles prevent the meat from toughening, ensuring the texture remains perfect for the consumer. These heavy chains are the veins of the factory, moving product efficiently between many different facility levels. Final checks are conducted to ensure that no contaminants have entered the product during the automated process. Removing solids from wastewater is critical to protect the environment and maintain strict local industrial regulations. But the transformation is complete, as the cattle have finally become the premium beef products we find globally.
Transparent labeling provides consumers with all the information they need about the origin and the safety.
As the day ends, the facility continues to work, providing food security for millions across the world.
Human oversight remains a vital part of the process, ensuring the highest level of food safety standards.
Modern processing relies on sophisticated software to manage complex logistics and ensure total operational efficiency every day.
Fat trimmings are not wasted, but are instead processed into tallow for the soap and energy industries.
Precision air jets act with lightning speed to move boxes without slowing down the entire production line.
Smart energy management reduces the factory's carbon footprint, making the entire process much more environmentally friendly.
Even in a modern factory, traditional stockmanship skills are sometimes used to achieve the best results. Testing moisture levels during the rendering process ensures that only the best quality oil products are created.
Powerful magnets are used throughout the facility to remove any metallic contaminants and protect the processing machines.
Resting the meat allows it to stabilize and preventing moisture loss during the final stages of vacuum packaging.
Small-scale chemical tests predict how the entire batch will behave in the large industrial storage systems. Centrifugal separation is a highly efficient way to keep the rendering products pure and safe for use. Every size of protein has a market, from large bone meal to fine powder for animal feed. Strict sanitation protocols prevent any external bacteria from entering the food processing and the final packaging area.
Plastic strapping protects the boxes from shifting and damage during their journey through the global supply chain.
Real-time flow data helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures that every machine is running at peak capacity.
For the driver, this is just one stop in a long chain that feeds the entire world.
These freezers are designed to maintain a perfectly consistent temperature, regardless of the outside summer heat today.
Gravity is the most efficient mover in the factory, allowing material to flow downward through various floors. Final approval is the result of hours of testing and meticulous quality control throughout the entire process.
Even the processing waste is recycled, providing valuable minerals back to the local Australian outback soil today.
Honoring the source of the cattle is an important part of the factory's corporate culture and values.
From Sydney to Tokyo, this factory's beef reaches every corner of our vast and connected global community.
Fine adjustments by skilled operators are what separate a good processing facility from a truly great one.
The ultimate proof of quality is in the eating, and the factory workers enjoy their own product.
Infrared spectroscopy is used to measure the fat and protein content of the beef for specialized markets.
Final branding reflects the care and technology that has gone into every single pound of this meat. Microscopic inspection ensures that the fat distribution is uniform and meets the high standards of luxury buyers.
Keeping the sensors clean is vital for the machine to score the meat with total precision today.
The spinning motion secures the load, ensuring that it does not shift or fall during truck transport. Industrial tallow is a useful byproduct that is extracted and sold separately for sustainable fuel and chemicals.
Manual backups ensure the powers. Manual Fazamain.
Seeing the flow allows operators to quickly identify any issues and maintain a consistent speed throughout production. High-speed weighing is a marvel of modern engineering that saves time while ensuring total product accuracy.
Skilled operators are essential for navigating the complex and cold environment of a high-volume processing warehouse. Purifying the water used in the processing ensures that the factory does not harm the local environment. Experience allows workers to judge the seal quality through the simple feel of the plastic packaging today. Safety is the most important part of any industrial operation, protecting the workers and the valuable machinery. Solar energy supplements the grid power, making the factory one of the greenest in the entire nation.
Bagging the byproduct makes it easier to store and much more efficient to transport for local farmers.
Correct steam pressure is the difference between a sterile facility and potential food safety issues in production. Australian beef is highly valued in the global market, and this factory plays a major role. Heavier proteins are trapped by the screen, while the lighter oils flow easily over the top today.
Every day brings new challenges, but the goal of providing high-quality beef remains exactly the same.
The facility stands as a bridge between the traditional world of grazing and the modern world.
Chemical analysis starts with preparing the sample, ensuring that the test results represent the entire batch.
Controlling the cold airflow is the first step in maintaining a safe and efficient cooling process.
High-speed fans move a large volume of air, ensuring the meat cools quickly after the fabrication.
Marbling is a quality factor that is carefully monitored to ensure the beef meets the luxury standards.
Another shipment is on its way, bringing fresh and healthy Australian beef to families globally today.
This logo represents a commitment to quality and food security that has stood for many years.
Beyond standard cuts, the factory also processes specialty items for the most demanding chefs in the world.
The work is done, but the impact of this factory is felt every time someone eats beef.
Processing 9 million cattle is a monumental task that requires the perfect blend of skill and technology.
Thank you for watching this detailed exploration into Australia's massive-scale cattle processing and global logistics.